Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on the main Combi 38G. So in this video we're going to be using our new concept, what we've introduced, called the Fault Analysis Quadrant. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn the boiler on and you're going to listen what happens, because in fact what I'm going to do, we're going to call a customer in at this point. He's going to explain what he's been experiencing and then we'll take it from there. Okay, Mr. Customer, if you can just tell us what's happened, reason why you've called us out.
Okay, we can't get any hot water. The boiler is permanently making a noise, whether it's the fan or the pump or whatever. It's permanently on, making a noise. When you reset it, it still doesn't sort of set itself. If you try and run the water, it doesn't fire up. But on the warning systems, on the warning lights, there's no warning light to come on saying the pilot light or anything else isn't working.
Okay, thank you. Right, so I'm just going to turn it on here. I'm just going to put it on this switch here, so you can hear something running. It sounds like the fan to me.
Normally it'd fire up at that point and
yeah.
The water.
So let's just see if we've got a demand on. So that's off, because that's permanently on there, and that's off. So the timer's off, the tap's not been running, and basically the boiler's just running all the time. So now we're going to go back to our fault analysis quadrant. So now I've got Tom who's going to go through the 4 areas of the quadrant, the main topics. So Tom, just tell them what they are.
First one is no central heating. Second one is no hot water. Third one is ignition failure, and the fourth one is losing or increasing pressure.
Right, so just repeat that again so the people can hear it again.
First one is no central heating. Second one is no hot water. Third one, ignition failure, and the fourth one, losing, increasing pressure.
Okay, so the question for you audience, which one of them of the 4 would you think's closest to this problem what we've got? So the boiler's not turning off. Now if you don't know nothing about this fault analysis quadrant, if you click on the link below, you can download a free copy of it so you can find out more about it and you can use it for your diagnostic skills. So that's going to be in this video on this particular fault. See if you know what the answer is. And if you don't, you can download a free copy of the fault analysis quadrant. So that's going to be it from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.